Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about monkeys, snakes, and birds, which are our friends in nature. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with monkeys together. Monkeys are cute creatures that live in trees and play games among the branches. They use their hands and tails to balance as they swiftly travel through the trees. It's like a natural obstacle course for them. There are many different types of monkeys. Some have small and short tails, while others have long and bushy ones. Their colors and patterns also vary depending on the species. Some are yellow, some are brown, and some are even black and white. Monkeys are social animals. They live together in groups and rely on each other. They roam around in troops, groom each other, and play games together. Watching their playful antics is truly delightful. Moreover, monkeys are not only playful but also smart. They can use tools, search for food, and some can even problem solve like humans. Watching them, you can see how clever and curious they are. Last but not least, monkeys are very funny animals. Their facial expressions and movements often make us laugh. Whether they're jumping, climbing, or imitating, watching them can be truly entertaining. When it comes to food, monkeys have a varied diet. They enjoy eating fruits such as bananas, mangoes, and apples. They also like to munch on leaves, flowers, and insects they find in the trees. Some monkeys even eat small animals like birds or lizards if they can catch them. So, friends, that's a fun introduction to monkeys. Now I will tell you about snakes. Snakes are incredible creatures that slither and slide across the ground. They have long, slender bodies covered in scales, and some have vibrant colors and patterns. They move by contracting their muscles and pushing against the ground, almost like a wave. There are many different types of snakes, ranging from tiny and harmless to large and powerful. Some snakes live in trees, while others prefer to burrow underground. They come in all shapes and sizes, but they all share one thing in common. They're experts at hunting! Snakes have a unique way of catching their prey. They use their tongues to taste the air and detect the scent of nearby animals. When they find something tasty, they strike with lightning speed and swallow their prey whole. It's like a magic trick! Did you know that snakes are cold-blooded animals? This means they rely on the sun to warm their bodies and give them energy. You can often find them basking in the sun on rocks or branches, soaking up the warmth. When it comes to food, snakes are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They feast on a variety of animals, including rodents, birds, frogs, and even other snakes. Some snakes have venomous bites to help them catch their prey, while others constrict their victims with their powerful bodies. Despite their scary reputation, most snakes are not dangerous to humans. They would rather slither away and hide than confront us. In fact, snakes play an important role in the ecosystem by keeping rodent populations in check. Now lastly, I will tell you about the birds. Birds are amazing creatures that come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles, they fill the skies with their beauty and grace. They have feathers that help them fly and keep them warm, and some have colorful plumage that dazzles the eye. There are thousands of different types of birds, each with its own unique characteristics. Some birds live in forests, others in deserts, and some even on icy mountaintops. They have adapted to their environments in incredible ways, from camouflage to specialized beaks for feeding. Birds are masters of the air. They can soar high above the clouds, dive into the depths of the ocean, and swoop down to catch their prey with precision. Some birds migrate thousands of miles every year, traveling from one part of the world to another in search of food in warmer climates. When it comes to food, birds have a varied diet. Some are carnivores and eat insects, fish, or other small animals. Others are herbivores and feast on fruits, seeds, and nectar. And let's not forget about scavengers who clean up the leftovers and keep our environment clean. Did you know that birds are also talented singers? They use their voices to communicate with each other, mark their territory, and attract mates. From the melodious song of the nightingale to the cheerful chirps of the robin, bird songs fill the air with music. Birds play an important role in our ecosystem. They help pollinate flowers, spread seeds, and control insect populations. Without birds, our world would be a very different place. So, friends, that's a fun introduction to birds. They're incredible creatures with so much to discover. Today I told you all I know about monkeys, snakes, and birds. I hope you had fun. I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and like the video.